Okay, now I know y'all seen that air fryer just giving me such a hard time. But while I'm waiting on my meat, I'm going to fill up my refrigerator with some waters. I will really appreciate it if you guys will continue to watch my videos and watch me continue to improve. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am exhausted. I know y'all see. Look at my little elf cup I got from Family Dollar. It was 50% off, I believe. Christmas stuff is 50% off. But yes, you guys, I would really appreciate it if you guys will like, share it, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Goodbye.